What's up, everybody? What up, everybody? How you guys all doing today? Hopefully, you guys are doing good. I'm praying y'all are doing good. There you go. How's everyone doing today? Do a quick little pulse right now. Just announcing that we are live. Can everyone hear me? Test 1, 2. Let me know if you guys can all hear me. Let me know if you guys can all hear me. Test, tickly, test, 1, 2. All good, man. Love to hear it. Love to be live, guys. Get the likes up if you guys are in this chat right now. Let's get the likes going on. Let's get this to like some likes. Gonna post this link out right now. Okay, just popped the link. We just popped the link, guys. As you can see, 930 has a little 930 open off this fair value gap. Just make a little post and then we'll be good to go. That's just not good. No problem. Okay, I do not look good, guys. I'm trying to get a nice looking picture. All right, let me pop this link out. Boom, 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 boom. Elmo's world, Elmo. Popping in that. We can see price made a little market structure shift. We have a little 5-minute impulse move. We can see the overall trend of the market. It filled this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I've seen this multiple times before. Actually, let's see if there's an SMT here. Okay. Yeah, that's how this week's been. Yo, get ready, guys. I'm going to put you guys in a position where you can ask so many questions right now. Sending the live over right now to the peeps. Sending the live over. Now we lock in and we get started. Pop this on this side. All right, put that link down. Send that here. Quickly just put it in the telly. Okay. We should be good. We should be good. We still have a little bit of time based off the market open. Let's pop this in here. What are you trading? NASDAQ. So guys, currently I'm looking at NASDAQ here, and to the right of the screen is SPX 500. So if anyone else comes in the chat, then you guys can be a helping hand and let them know that that is what's going on as of right now. So let me quickly pop in on the live real quick. And then we're going to lock in fully. Guys, everyone join my Instagram live right now. I'm live right now on Instagram. Just join it real quick. I want to see if there's a, if the audio works on Instagram. So join right now. Look, it's about, how many views is it at right now? It's at, let me refresh. See right here? It's at about 195. Shit. Damn. Join live stream. Live, join for free. Give over. Okay, I just pinned it right now. Can you guys can't hear me? I just pinned. Look. Read it. Okay? Live. Hopefully they understand. I hope they understand. Live, YouTube. Live. Live on YouTube. Chat, they're not getting it, chat. I'm trying to tell them I'm live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Join here. Join. I'm live. Bro, these guys are not getting it. I'm feeling chill when watching this program. Join YouTube. Live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. YouTube. Live on YouTube. Someone said we can't understand you. Yes. I'm saying YouTube. Finally, someone's getting it. Yes. Link. YouTube link. Okay, I think they got it, guys. What do you think? Think they got it? Link. Live on YouTube. Yes. Live on YouTube. Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes. Excellent job. Good. Okay. Come. YouTube. Come. Very good. I'll see you guys. All right, guys. I don't think they got it. I don't think they got it, guys. Imagine having to teach someone. Like, I'm going to be honest, guys. You know, when it comes to trading, remember, guys, if you can't figure out how to join a live, it might be a little bit difficult, some things. You know what I'm saying? This is the bare minimum. This is the bare minimum threshold that you must understand before you can learn the art of trading. Learning how to read the lips, you know, or following simple tasks. I still have hope in you guys. Okay. So currently, us looking at price right now. Us looking at price right now, we can see that there is a, let's see if there's a little SMT going on here or not. Holy smokes. Yeah, we do have an SMT, but like, I know for a fact, look, see right here, this is an SMT, guys. Higher high and what? Right here, higher high and a what? and a lower high. So this is a bearish SMT. This bearish SMT for price happened right here on NASDAQ, while also on the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. If we go on the hourly, sure, there is this unfilled fair value gap that can be filled later on. And you look at that. A setup just happened at market open. Yes, there was a let's go to the higher time. Look, nice, very good. What do we have here? The thing I taught you guys. What did I teach you guys? We have a 5-minute. The price taps into the 5-minute, then what? I'm trying to get Ibrahim on this with me, bro. Yo, Ibrahim, are you in here? Anyways, we have a 5-minute market open. What happens? Taps into it. Then what do? We disrespected this. Where's Ibrahim? Let me call Ibrahim. This is my one-on-one student. I don't know if he's at work. Okay, it's fine. So here's what I want to show you. This is a bearish SMT, guys. Anytime there's a bearish SMT, ideally that's when you look for sales. For instance, it has to be from a close range liquidity point as well. There needs to be some type of close range liquidity point. The reason why this buy is more sexier than this sell, the SMT is obvious, which is really cool. Like the more obvious the SMT, the better. Okay, but the reason why this buy was much cooler is because the way this candle closed, guys. The way this candle closed is in a beautiful way. So anyways, guys, this is a B plus setup right now. We have anything. Long story short, we have everything in our characteristics. Ideally, this would be your entry setup. It's not an A plus, so we're not taking this, but this will be a B plus. You'd enter off this inversion. You'd put your stops, just in between these highs, and then you'd aim for at least the minimum 1 to 2. I'm not telling you guys to enter this. I'm saying clear now, clear as day. I'm just showing you an example of like a B plus setup. Does that make sense? This is just an example. I'm not telling you guys to enter this trade. I'm gonna show you guys an example. Why? Because it has all the characteristics we need, but just not in the way we want it, right? And I'll show you guys an example in the difference between the way we want it and the way we don't want it, okay? I'm gonna break all of that so it makes perfect sense for you guys, okay? So this would be an example, again, of a B plus setup. This is an example of it. The reason why is because we have a bearish SMT. What happened? Go to NASDAQ. Look at the high at what time? The high at 933 and the high at 940. You go here, the high at 933 and the high at 940. So yes, there is a bearish SMT, but this is the problem. You ready, guys? This is why I would call this a B plus, and I wouldn't call this like my setup I would actually enter on any type of live account on. If you go here and sure, we have our GIFEG right here. We close below here. Beautiful. The next liquidity point, look how far it is. The next liquidity point is what? How many points? It's more than 17 points away, which means this setup has 0 close range liquidity. I'm giving you guys the cheat code to make a shoot ton of money. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? This is legit the cheat code that I'm giving you guys. Like as of right now, like pay close attention. Let me call one of my students. Yo, Adler. Yo. What's good, bro? What's up, bro? What's up? Are you in the live stream right now? What? Are you in the live stream? I'm doing a little live stream right now. Oh, you streaming? No, I didn't see it right now. Yeah. So just the trade that you think, it's just a way to avoid it. I was talking about close range liquidity points. So just join up the live stream real quick, and then we'll talk from there. Okay. Okay, bro. I'm breaking down that trade, but again, that trade, the one that you sent me on thing. Yeah. The close range, measure how many pips and how many points away the next close range liquidity is. Okay. And then you have an idea with it. But we'll talk. We'll talk after stream or during the stream. So just pull up to the stream so you can pick up some gems here. Also. I'm gonna join now. Okay. All right. Peace out. All right, guys. That's a one-on-one student. He's gonna, I want to, guys. I'm telling you guys, these one-on-one students, bro. I want to make them a copy of me. I want to make them a killer. See that? Boom. We would have avoided a loss right here. Does that make sense? This is an avoided loss, right? Usually you'd be like so impulsive, like, guys, I need to enter. I need to enter bearish SMT, escaping higher time frame, inversion for value gap. Let me enter for sales. Let me enter for sales. Bro, guys, you would have taken a loss here. Does that make sense? There's nothing A+ about this. Does that make sense with everyone? In trading, your job is to be someone who can manage risk. You are someone who can control risk. That is your main objective. That's your main priority, right? Everything else does not matter. What matters. Does that make sense to everyone? Managing your risk is what matters. Look at that. Boom. You would have been stopped up. Does that make sense to everyone? Do you guys see why we did not enter this trade now? Does it make sense why we didn't enter this trade? Yes or no? If some of you guys are new, do not worry. I promise you this stuff may sound like Chinese or, any other language that you guys don't speak, or, Japanese, or, Canadian, or, any language at all, any foreign language. So this may sound foreign to you guys, but the reality is it's going to click as time progresses. Your job is to ask questions in the chat, and my job is to answer those questions. Does that make sense with everyone? Right? Now, Hamuzi. Why is this setup much better? All right? Or Romanian? Yes. Right? Why is this setup much better? Why did we avoid this loss, right? Which helps our capital. And why is this a better setup, even though it was market open? I wouldn't take this because that's exactly at 9:30, personally. But why would this have been a better setup if it wasn't at 9:30? Go to the 5-minute. What happens? We react off of the 5-minute. Okay? We react off of the 5. We tap into it. After we tap into it, what happens? Let's check if this had an SMT, by the way. Let's give it a... We tap into it. Plus, we have an SMT. We have a clean-looking, amazing, beautiful SMT. Right here. These lows, these highs. Right here. Boom. SMT. Plus, we have a GIFG. The reason why this is an amazing setup. The reason why this is an amazing setup is because of what? When price disrespected this bullish fair value gap, let's see if it properly disrespected or not. If it didn't, then we're going to ignore this. We're going to say it doesn't count. Okay, it did. When price disrespected this, did it take out the internal high? Yes or no, everybody? Did it take out the internal high? Yes or no? Did it take out? No. When the GIFG happened, my question is, did this get taken out before the GIFG happened? Did this high get taken out? Right? It did not. After we closed, now, because the logic behind this is now we can enter for buys right here. Enter for our buy position, right? And we can target this high as the first target liquidity point. But now, because we're already bullish and above, that's it. Now we have our setup, the setup we've been waiting for. Does that make sense? This is why I would prefer this trade. This trade, let's see the difference between this trade. It is a swing high that's close. This trade, we make a bearish SMT. Where's the next swing high? It wasn't here before. All the way here. So the next swing high is this far. Look at the distance between here and here. Look how many pips or points away this is. It's like 20 points. Does that make sense to everyone? Make sense? Say yes or say no. So I have an idea if it makes sense for you or not. All right. Also, the reason why I would not be smart to go for sells here is because we have an RMR. How many of you guys remember RMR? Something I've taught for free so many times to you guys. How many of you guys remember RMR? Hmm? How many of you guys are new? Let me get an idea. How many of you guys are new? Shoot, I'm so sorry, guys. I probably scared off a lot of you guys that are new. How many of you guys are new? I don't want to be too complicated. I did realize that. That's the last thing I want to do. I feel like if I jump too quick, I don't want to overcomplicate some things. 50, 100. Does that make sense, everyone? So do you guys see now how why we avoided that? What's good, Ibrahim? How you doing, Ibrahim? What's good, Ibrahim? So do you guys understand that now? How we avoided this loss? So Ibrahim, I was pretty much breaking down to them how we avoided a loss. OMG, I'm here for 15 minutes, and a few things you said are so well explained. Hey, bro, let's go. Let's go. I'm glad. It's good. So like I'm saying is it doesn't make sense to also look for sells here because look, we have a raid, clear market structure shift to the upside with displacement. And then we just, want to wait for a return or let it continue going up, right? So it does not make sense. So we avoided a loss. So honestly, W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat for us avoiding a loss here. I think it's very important. I don't think you understand how important it is to be able to avoid a loss in your trading. So we could have been -1, but now we're not. So W in the chat, right? If we're gonna take a loss, let's take a loss on our setup, right? Why take a loss on a setup that's not even ours, right? Right? We're also disrespecting 4-hour previous day, yes. Right? So it doesn't make sense, right? So we have multiple things telling us we have bullish bias beacon, right? We have, on the hourly, this bearish fair value gap, we're already more than halfway above it. Most cases, statistically, when we're halfway above an opposite fair value gap, it's gonna usually go and take out the high, right? We have many things that are kind of pointing us in the direction that we are going to be looking for buys, right? We don't have to attack this fully or this, but at least if we can get a portion of the move on its way to that delivery point, then that's what will make the difference maker. So now we have unfilled fair value gap. So what we can do here is we want to mark out our bullish fair value gap right here. So we have a bullish fair value gap here. I want us to retrace back into this, give us a bullish SMT, and then we'll go in and look for some buys. All right, I'm pretty bullish right now. Risk, exactly, guys. We control risk, and we will be killers in the game. We will be super killers. I'm telling you guys, we will be killers. Right, like I said again, you see the market is pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish. You can visually see the pullbacks and retracements. I just look at it to fill fair value gaps. That's what I want. I want us to fill some type of fair value gap. And then that's what I want. So again, you can see how price is gonna keep pulling up way to the high. So I'm just we're pretty much just waiting for a So we're waiting for price currently. Should we do a little giveaway right now, or should we do it in a little bit? We'll do it midway. Midway, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Oh, good job. I can take a look at gold. Gold. Let's see what happened with gold. Anything nice happened with gold? Let's take a look. So gold, we had a no. We didn't. Nothing really happened with gold. You know, every time we're bullish, you'll start to see how these fair value gaps usually get delivered and respected. Because the market's already pretty much bullish, right? But the only issue with this is you don't know where to really put your stop loss. Like, you know, price would want to tap, rebalance, and attack because the market's already bullish with just regular fair value gaps. But oh, what a delivery! Holy shit! Wow. Well, there you go, guys. That's the power of a fair value gap. That's funny. Right to that high, and then you see the reaction point to a swing high point. Look at that reversal right after it just wicks it out. That's incredible. That's just incredible. Like, this is like algorithmically planned. Like, there's no work here where it's like, maybe this like this. There's a reason why it like this was a powerful reaction level because it was a swing high level, a very untouched swing high level, making this like an A+ rate. Just and how that 1 minute fair value gap, the way price just respected it, is just like beautiful. Hamuzi, when are you choosing your next one-on-one? Ibrahim, are you in the chat right now? Yo.
Hey, bro.
What's good, bro? You working right now?
What?
Are you at work?
No, I'm picking my mother from work.
Oh, okay. I was just gonna break down to you like later on. I'm gonna break down to you why we avoided a loss on a trade, in case you didn't see it on the live stream. So I'll break it down to you, personally. Okay.
What time?
The time was entry at 9:41. So this is like a trade not taken, so avoiding a loss type of a trade. So I want you to journal this down on your Google Docs. Take a screenshot, label it down as like the type of losses you're gonna avoid, and then also send it to me, okay? And then label out the reason why you would avoid this loss as well. Why you'd avoid this trade.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you repeat again the hour?
The entry was at the false entry was at 9:41. 9:41 a.m. today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So mark that out, and then whenever you have free time, send it to me. Okay.
It will be like after an hour.
After an hour. Okay.
Max.
Sounds good, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Peace out.
Thanks.
No problem. Okay, bye.
See you, bro.
See ya. Okay. I'm telling you, bro. I want my one-on-one students to succeed, bro. I really want them to become a beast, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I really see potential in them. But that's funny, guys. Isn't it funny how we have this such a, we tap off this retracement and then that powerful move. I just kind of just seen it. But again, I don't see a type of delivery move. I want some type of. I know fair value gaps will be respected, especially when the market is bullish. I don't expect it to be disrespected, especially on a continuation market. But I just like to play things safe. I don't have a key level of where I'm going to put my stop loss. So it puts more risk on me. Does that make sense, everyone? Hello, Hamuzi. What is your today bias? My bias is bias. Does all fair value gaps get respected though? It depends on the bias, right? If the bias is bullish, usually you'll have the bullish getting respected more than the bearish ones. Yeah. But this is a bullish fair value gap. For some of you guys that didn't know, a bullish fair value gap is pretty much an idea where top of the wick, bottom of the wick, we wait for price to return to it, and then pretty much enter for sells on that. Hey, are you the guy who does it? No, that's the wrong guy. I'm the guy that started that trend. Record seems nice. I don't mind enrolling. Yeah, just right now I'm just currently only doing one-on-one. So it's either I'm doing one-on-one teaching or just the signal group, right? Send out trades. But currently I'm just doing one-on-ones because I like the thing is with group mentorship guys is like some people will come because the price is cheap and then they'll just you know, they're not going to put the effort, and then, you know, I'm taking time out of my days. Like, I feel like one-on-one, I give you my time of day and I really teach you. I sit you down. I say, hey, look, you know, this is what you're doing wrong. This is what you're doing right. Let me teach you from the very beginning. Right. And then I help in that manner. Right. That's the most important thing for me, at least, is making sure, I can really sit you down and know they have potential, because eventually I want to invest in you. I want us to make money together for the one-on-one. Right. That's my main objective, bro. I want to invest. Like, I'm going to put money into your pockets, and then, you know, we take some fire trades. Okay, guys, we have a HMSSS price tapped off of this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, escaping it. Then we have this high. There might be some drawdown. I'll tell you why this trade might have a little bit of drawdown. Could have drawdown because of this high. It made equal highs, but it already took out the equal highs. If it was just alone, it would have been nice, but it didn't happen, so it's fine. Closure above here. You just want to check silver for an SMT. If silver has an SMT, then it's lovely. Silver does have an SMT right here. So this is gold. It's in a bullish trend, bullish everything. Closure above here. I want to show you guys something really cool. Watch this. Ready? Bullish SMT, price tap the higher time frame. We inverse this. Now, if we have price close near that, then you'll have a move that has like a decent amount of points. But you want closure to be near the high. And see, not like this. You want it to be higher, right? And then that's a nice little attack on buy. See, not like that. You see, this is why I wait for candle closures. This is why I wait for candle to close. And the reason why I told you there's going to be some type of weird candle movement is because the high got taken out here. That's why there's this weird candle movement. It's a bunch of external liquidity. It's fine having external liquidity as long as we have one really nice internal close. Hey, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Shout out to South Africa. Wizzy, how about you take everyone in the group? I'm gonna put them in one group and focus on the idea. Yeah, that could be a potential idea. Yeah, it can work. I say, bro, look, honestly, if you guys can't afford the one-on-one, bro, just literally just pull up to these live streams and learn. You'll soak a lot of information for sure here. It's just the one-on-one. Just you get my phone number, my personal phone number. You can text me 24/7 whenever you want. And literally any questions you have, like anything you have in regards to anything, you can answer. So right now, you see that closure. This is like a medium trade. It's like an A- trade. You have that closure above here. Your stop loss would be here. Sorry, not here. Your stop loss would be just below that wick or that closure. And then ideally you want at least a 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, right? And the thing is with gold is you just see a fat candle just because of the volume. It's a little fart trade. Goes up, and then once it takes out the high, it takes out this internal high, then that's the time you want to move your SL to BE. You're like, okay, guys, this is a risk-free trade now. This is a risk-free trade. Again, it can have a potential pullback just based off of the fact that, like, again, I don't like the fact that, like, these are small things that just hold me back from a setup that can or cannot work. It's just this 1, 2, like a 3 drive pattern up here before attacking it. But that's just an annoying thing. But yeah, this high being taken out is what can cause like a little pullback down, right? But then if you look really closely, you can be like, but in the other side, we have little equal highs up here, and the chances of equal highs being taken out is very high. So it's like a super draw on liquidity, right? Right, so that gave you a little equal high, gave you a little bonus. So now that we have that, put that to the side. I want to see this high got taken out. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I expect the rip up. I expect these external highs to be taken out. I don't see why not. I'm such a perfectionist, and it pisses me off because these 1, 2, 3 highs, it just annoys me. Guys, yeah, don't spam in the chat. Don't spam in the chat, guys. Do not spam in the chat. Spamming is not allowed. Do not spam. Do not spam. Make sure you guys don't spam. So then we can give people room to be able to chat, to be able to text, to be able to talk, to be able to this, to be able to that. So yeah, guys, learn what a 3 drive pattern is and how to kind of take a look at it and the difference between some trades. So that's why this trade's taking a bit longer. Again, it can play out, it can work, but the reason why it's taking longer is because of that specific reason. That's it. But again, this is still a fire play right here. Closure, nice bullish SMT, closure above here, made somewhat of an equal high. Same thing I said before, low stop loss at that low. Now it already kind of made equal highs. But again, the 3 drive is what's holding me back from the setup. 1, 2, 3 drive. So it's more of a medium term, a middle term setup. The middle term setup. It's still so yeah. So now it's sweeped it. So you would already technically be on BE. Don't take this as a trade, by the way, guys. This is just something I just want to show you guys and break down on gold real quick. Just keep that in mind. And now it took out the equal high, ripped out the equal high. You don't need a market structure shift for GIFEG. It's not a market structure shift is not a necessity for GIFEG. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, there is a market structure shift. See right here? Swing low got rated. And then what? And then swing high got rated. So there's a market structure shift to the upside. So price and delivery, it would want to go up. So let's go take a look at NQ. Let's see what NQ has for us. Okay, if we can close above this zone right here, if price can close, then ideally, yeah, it's in the next 14 minutes, then the next draw on liquidity is a very high chance it's going to be those highs. Very high chance it's going to be those highs if price can close above that. Because now gold can go both ways, right? Technically, swing high got rated. This is why I hate when it's choppy. Swing low got rated. Market structure shift, leg that caused the market structure shift, makes a fair value gap, which is like looks like a 0.62 level on a fib. Then it got disrespected. Then you go to the 1 minute, and in the 1 minute, now you have a GIFEG. So then you go to silver and be like, okay, is there an SMT with silver and gold? Then you go to SMT, you go to the silver. That's why I don't like choppy ranges. I'm not a fan of choppy ranges. And you can see, yes, there is a SMT with silver and gold, right? This is why I don't like chopping because it's like telling you 2 different things. One setup for buy, one setup for sell. Does that make sense? Because it's telling you 2 different things, it's confusing. I'll be honest, guys. Sometimes the chart can be confusing. What do you do when the chart's confusing? You take a breather and you relax, right? So this is like a sell setup example, but it's a market structure on the big. That's why I don't like the 5-minute. The 5-minute here is it's too choppy, too wixy, too choppy, right? Not a fan of it. Not a fan of it. Right. Switch over back to the 1 minute. Not a fan of it. You trade gold only? No. NASDAQ. Trade NASDAQ. Today, gold, do you explain? Oh, dude. Shout out to X here, crash out. I'm in hitting heels with a crash out. You did. I don't trade crypto. I just have crypto invested. Trade crypto? No. Invest crypto? Yes. The most I've ever had a student make, I think his name was Mookie. The most I ever had him make, he made 44,000 like 900 USD on a payout. That was the most in a single payout I had a student name. And that was Mookie. But the thing is sometimes, oh, bro, I hate one about it. It should be on my story highlights, by the way. It should be my story highlights. Shout out to X Quash out. I'm in the hills with a crash out. My biggest win, enough to pay the bills. Yeah, you're the winner. Make sure you guys are all in the Discord. Guys, make sure to leave a like right now on the stream. Leave a like. I'm seeing everyone who leaves a like right now on the stream. Make sure you guys all leave a like right now. Everyone, like up the stream. I'm watching. Like it up. Like it up. Let's get this to 100 likes right now. Yeah, I think the gold sell. I think gold wants that for its real move. This play right here with this SMT. And then if it disrespects this, then it really wants to go down. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for. Sometimes you just gotta wait. And patience is what pays. Yeah, I'm looking at NAS right now. I'm still saying we're bullish, or just having a little retracement. That's all. Everything says we're bullish about this. Fill this. We can fill this 15-minute. And then I want to see us get a little SMT and then pretty much attack it. Yeah, the link is in the description, guys. Make sure you can join the Aqua Discord. Link is in the description. One funded is more than enough to start. More than enough. Yeah, for sure. The thing is though, I might enter off of the 5-minute fair value gap because I don't know if like sometimes the price is too bullish, we may not retrace. So I might take the impulsive move. And if it does get a stop loss, then I'll go to the 15-minute. So right now, I'm gonna go to ES real quick, see if we have a bullish SMT. You gotta do this pretty quick though. Okay, we have a bullish SMT right here too as well. This is a little continuation setup. If we do disrespect it, it's a close range setup. And bro, I'll tell you, I'll be more than happy to take the loss. The only difference is we might fill this or we might hold this to the high. And again, this is and we have very strong targets for price to really want to attack as well. So this will be a very nice and big trade if price doesn't want it to play out. Let me just notify this in the Telegram group real quick. Okay, so everyone, eyes on NASDAQ. This is a setup I'm looking at. If you do decide to enter the trade, do not over risk. I don't want you to over risk because we can still fill in this higher time frame for buy gap. So I don't want you guys risking your whole account. You blow it, you can't even enter a trade here. Does that make sense? So please don't do that. Right? But what I'm currently looking at right now is if we escape this, right? We have a good amount of liquidity. The market chases liquidity, guys. Okay? All the market does is chase liquidity. And in this scenario chat, we have liquidity. We have liquidity. We have 2 points of liquidity. So we need the closure to be right here because there's technically no swing high points here. So this is dangerous, actually. There is no close range liquidity. There's no close range liquidity here, chat. So if it closes, it must close here because on the 30-second time frame, prior to go to 30-second, I just have to renew my freaking thing. I don't know why I didn't renew it. But if I go to the 30-second time frame, there could be some type of swing high up here. And from that swing high, then we can look to enter in for buys, right? So we're just waiting right now. So closure, when it closes, again, guys, if you want this to be high probability trade, when it closes, you want it to close like around here, okay? Because this is not a swing high. This is a swing high. Okay, good. This is good. This is good closure. It's pretty good. So we wait, and now you can buy right here. Oh. So buys right here. Entry here. Stop loss. Make this a tight stop loss. The reason why I'm making this a tight stop loss is because we can still fill this 15 minutes. So it doesn't make sense to have a wide stop loss because if it wants to go down, it will go down to this 15-minute. It will go down. So to have a tight stop loss does not make sense. So this is a very small risk entry trade in case you can get the high on this. Okay. So that's your entry there. And remember what I said, guys. No over risking. Do not over risk. The reason why I'm telling you don't over risk because this is the only real swing high. This is not a swing high. This is a swing high. Okay. This is just an internal high right here. So because it's decently enough close, that's why we're taking this chance, and we can refill this here. Okay, so on this level, depending on our stop loss, our 1-to-1 zone would be right here, chat. This would be our 1-to-1 zone. Let's take we'll change this color to orange or yellow, make this yellow. So that's our 1-to-1 zone. So that's, if price goes there, we're at a 1-to-1 already. If price goes here, we're at a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So this is a 1-to-2 RR, okay? And then we have until this internal high, which is a 1-to-4.7. Or honestly, if we're near all-time highs, we can just have it until 1-to-5.7. So you guys should be in some profits right now. 1-to-5.7. All the way up here. We escaped the higher time frame. We have this little internal high up here. Ba-bam. Where's chat? Trailing. Someone said trailing stop loss. Nice. So once we get to this area, it's a 1-to-1. Statistically, guys, if I show you the Marlowe IO chart, technically with a 1-to-1 RR, with a 1-to-1 RR, I was breaking this down with the people in my signal group, and with a 64% win rate, even a 60% win rate, 62% win rate, you will be so profitable. Bang, 1-to-1 hit, guys. Absolutely beautiful. 1-to-1 hit. This is a zone that the people in my signal group, they love to close here because they see good profitability just closing at 1-to-1. So that's excellent on that setup. So I know a lot of people closed on that key level. And what we're going to do is we're going to trail our stop loss. We're going to trail our stop loss. So we're going to move our stop loss to break even. So this is going to be a risk-free trade. So if price goes down for the 1-to-2 guys or us holding it, it's going to be break even. And those guys already secured their profits. So we go, almost got tagged. Right? So again, for holding it all the way to those highs is break even. And 1-to-1, you should close. And if you're usually a 1-to-1 trader and you didn't close, if it comes back again, you have another opportunity to close at 1-to-1. Okay? Absolutely beautiful trade. Okay. Let me tell them. All right, guys. So far, W's in the chat, guys. Big W's in the chat. At least for the 1-to-1 guys, big W's in the chat. I'm going to break down the strategic ways of playing and taking advantage of 1-to-1. We're going to do a little simulator thing where I'm going to show you guys how profitable you can be at 1-to-1. So a little W in the chat real quick. We can put a lowercase w. Put a little lowercase w. Again, it's one of those ones, just like yesterday. Was it yesterday's live stream? It was the same thing, 1-to-1, and then it kind of pulled down. But let's see if this gives us a full opportunity. But yeah, you should definitely have an account dedicated just for a 1-to-1, and then have an account dedicated for your full TPs, or minimum 1-to-2 at least, right? So boom, there it goes, back at 1-to-1. So you didn't close already, and you're a 1-to-1 trader. That it was your signal pretty much, and your opportunity to kind of close out right there. W day today. Love to hear that, bro. Love to hear that. Absolutely beautiful. Great job, guys. Nice. I like literally. This is looking beautiful. I like that little displacement. Would prefer a little bullish for value gap here would be nice, but again, 1-to-1 guys right there. You got your piece of the pie. You got a little piece of the food. You got your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. We got some W's, man. You got some little W's. You got some little W's. You got some little W's. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, and also the reason why I'm gonna break it down to you guys why one-to-one is also good for some of the signal guys and why I tell them as well. It's just for psyche reasons as well. So it's also a psychological reason because at one-to-one, it's like you're kind of already out of the trade, you know. So anything that happens after doesn't affect you. You know what I'm saying? It's like you're in and you're out, just like yesterday, in and out, right? So for those guys, your psychology is better for one guys. So all you need is a 63% win rate. So once this hits BE for the full T periods, I'm gonna break it down to you. How it works, and the profitability. So let's finish up real quick, and I'm gonna explain to you guys how one-to-one guys can eat a lot when it comes to food, like tasty, like they can eat like some delicious particles. Show it to you guys. And boom. Okay, cool. So now let me show you guys. Let me show you guys why, one-to-one is a killer when you think about it in a long-term perspective as well. With just a 63% win rate, guys. 63% win rate. Well, first of all, W's in the chat for the one-to-one, guys. Quick W's in the chat real quick. Because yesterday was the same thing. So far, we're 100% win rate on stream. Yesterday was the same thing. One-to-one RR smashed. Today, same thing. One-to-one RR smashed. So then if you took both trades closed at one-to-one, risking 1%, you'd be at 2%. Or if you de-risk today and risk a bit smaller at 0.5, you'd be at 1.5% or 2%, either or. Right? So great job on that. Pretty much calling it with almost perfection. You see that? And that's also why the full TP guys, you see how you guys got saved that break even as well? You see how you guys saved that break even? We don't chase it. This would have been stopped out. You see that again? That's another W if you think about it, even for the full TP getters, because it's like, wow, we just kind of avoided a loss. I'm not saying, look, we're going to avoid every single loss in the industry, but we're avoiding a lot more losses than what we could have gotten. Does that make sense? Which is what makes us profitable. You know, what makes you profitable is being able to avoid unnecessary losses. A necessary loss is fine, but an unnecessary loss isn't, right? So to have so many unnecessary losses in your portfolio is going to cause you to pretty much be unprofitable, if that makes sense. So I'm glad that we moved our SL to break even, showing you guys an example of why I think. And yeah, I'm gonna go down to a simulator real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how a 1-to-2 RR, a 1-to-1 RR, how disgusting it can actually be. It's just a lot of people they have this misconception about it, right? And I have people with 1-to-1 RRs, they're passing funded accounts like so easy. Like they're in my signal group right now, and they're passing it with ease, right? I'm gonna show you guys. Geez Louise, did I say stop loss to break even for the Telegram guys? Okay, I did. Whew, thank God. Okay, let me show you this. It's Monte Carlo simulator. Bro, let's say you guys have let's say a 200K account altogether. 200, 1, 2, 3. Let's say you're risking 1% per trade. Let's say you have a 64% win rate with a 1-to-1 RR. Not a 1-to-2, a 1-to-1. Let's say you have 0 break evens because either win or lose. 30 trades per month, 48 months. Your take profit is a 1-to-1. Simulate your returns. What on average are you looking at? You're looking at days where you can have fine 0.9%, but March 12.6%, April -4%, fine 8.2%, 2.9, -2.1, August 10%, 10%, 10%. Overall, you can end the month with, look how beautiful you can end the month. End the month in 98% profit. And look, you make 196,000. This is another one. As it compounds, look, 136%, you make 542,000. As it compounds, you make 164%, you make 1.5 million. As it compounds, 2029. This is what you're looking at with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So you guys are chasing these big moves when you don't have to. You don't have to. And that's a 64% win rate. That's not even an 80% win rate, 90% win rate, what these guys are marketing to. You get what I'm trying to say, chat? You can literally make so much money with just a 1-to-1 RR. That's it. So for example, yesterday's trade was a W. That's 1%. Today's trade was a W. That's 1%. We're 100% win rate on live stream. That's already 2% gain. So 2% gain on a 200K account. You're looking at what? 4,000. Casey, he sent me a message on Telegram. Let me see what it is. Wow. You guys are not going to believe this. Are you guys ready for what Casey just sent me right now? He's in the Telegram group, by the way. Look what he just sent me right now. You guys ready? Where's Casey? Let me show you guys. It's not showing me. Boom. You guys see this right here? See that? See what Casey just sent me right now? Bro made $1,000. Entry right there, stop loss right there, clean 1-to-1 R. 1-to-1 R. Look at the top of his message right there. Look right here. You see this right here? Right there. He's in the signal group. I was like 1-to-1 just like that. Boom. He smashed that clean. And I'm pretty sure he already has, he's not even waiting for me to say 1-to-1 because I was probably a bit delayed because I was on the live stream a little bit. So he probably already has it marked out for himself already, based on the thing. So W in the chat for Casey, guys. W in the chat. Bro made $1,000 off of the trade I just sent out right now because he closed out 1-to-1. W's in the chat right now. Big W's right now for Casey. Big W's in the chat. WKC in the chat. Right? Look at this trade. He made $340. Bag 2 dubs this money. Maybe prosper today. Fire. Absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. Beautiful. Absolutely fire. WKC in the chat, guys. WKC. Clean 1-to-1. Boom. Snapped. Fire. Just like that. Right? And he's in the group where I'm sending out these trades. Thanks. So far, guys, we are 100% win rate. I'm not saying, we're always going to be 100% win rate, but I'm just showing you guys that, look, we're doing this live in front of hundreds of you guys. That we can absolutely kill it. So lot size is dependent on your account size. So this is all you guys seen it live as well yourself. We had a bullish SMT. We disrespected it. I said, guys, get ready. Once we have this entry here on closure, we enter here on closure. We all pretty much entered together, and we've seen that impulse move to the upside. So hopefully you guys learn and lock in. So how was today, guys? Was it good? W's in the chat, right? This is what I'm saying, guys. You can consistently make a lot of money, guys. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. You can consistently make a lot of money. Just gotta lock in, man. All right, guys. I'm still pretty bullish though. I'm still bullish. Don't get it twisted. But it's just that, now imagine the next setup where the guys hit break even. Now I go and I look for another trade again. Guess what? 1-to-1 guys, they just won again. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool. So it's all. How do you join the signal? Are you guys curious on how to join the signal group? Are you guys like, yo, how do I join the signal group? Or are you guys curious on how to join the one-on-one? What would you guys prefer? Signal group, Telegram, where I send out my trades live every single day? Or one-on-one teaching where I teach you one-on-one? Which one do you guys want? Or you just want the signal group? How to join the signal group? I think the link is somewhere. Okay, I don't know where the link went. Guys, make sure you guys all like the stream after that setup trade. You guys want the link to join? Okay, how about I give all of you guys a discount for the Signal group? How's that sound? Because you guys are showing up in the live streams. You guys are all showing up. How would you guys like that? Would you guys like that? You guys want a discount group for the Signal group? It's less than $100, by the way, guys. But you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a code, okay? Put this code down, and you guys are pretty much gonna get a pretty fire discount. I'm not gonna lie. And make sure you guys also, get your funded account. Use code AquaTV. But pretty much, let me see if I can get you guys a promo. Okay, if I get you a promo code, who's gonna join, guys? If I get you that discount code, who's gonna join? Who's gonna join? Okay, this one's gonna be a very big discount. You guys ready for this one? Who's gonna join if I put the thing? Let me know right now in the chat. Who's gonna join? I'm only gonna make the discount code available for only 5 people. So the first 5 people who join are in. So only for the first 5 people. Okay, guys, I'm gonna drop the link right now. So the first one to get it. Only for the first 5 people. I'm gonna drop it literally in 5 seconds. You guys better get ready. Okay, 5, 4. Okay, fine. 10 people. Fine, I'll make it fair. 10 people. Fine, 10 people. So it's a little bit fair, so you guys have time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. I just sent it right now. I just sent it right now. It's there in the chat. Boom. First one to get it. Okay, guys, I just put the link down. First one to get it. Use code. Now the discount code is, are you guys ready? It's Hamuzi30. That's the discount code. I sent it right here in the YouTube chat. And the discount code is Hamuzi30. There it is. Got it? Beautiful. Let me know if the link works for you guys. Eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. I see another setup. I see another potential setup. Yeah, just an internal SMT right now. So wait, don't worry. Okay, now back to the thing. The discount code is Hamuzi30. Hamuzi30. There you go. That's your discount code. Type it in the chat. Okay. So yeah, on first 10 people, it'll work for you. Exactly. Kian got it. Only for the first 10 people. And it's 30% off for life. It's not first time. So that's what I'm saying. It's the biggest discount code I've ever done. So you guys take advantage of it. So guys, did I open your eyes in terms of like the RR, like 1-to-1 RR, how it kind of like how you're able to see things clear? Right? You've actually opened my eyes. Right? I want you guys to learn, bro. How was today, guys? Was it good? Guys, I just seen Lei Yuang 0064. He joined the Signal group. Only a few more spots left for the Signal group. I see a couple joining in. Make sure you guys take advantage. Yes, sir. I see that right now. I just want closure. I'm gonna try to see if there's a lower fair value gap. One more, a bit lower fair value gap down here. I would prefer one a bit lower because we do have this GIFEG. I just need price to really displace above this. Okay, guys. I just need to close outside this higher time frame, and then we can confirm this. Let me see a quick SMT. Little Wix SMT right here. Are we reacting off of it? Like, I need another for like something hourly. No, nothing yet. Okay. So guys, if we can close outside this, we can enter for buys right now. So we closed here. Technically, this would be a buys right here, but I just need it to be closing outside of the higher time frame for me. Because if it closes outside the higher time frame, it gives me confirmation of my entry. You see, boom, avoided loss right here. Avoid loss. Join the Discord group, Israel. Join the Discord group. Uh-oh. Guys, there's literally just a few spots left right now for the Signal group. I'm literally seeing it going away right now. The discount code is going to expire. So if you want the biggest discount code ever, then use code Hamuzi and join that Signal group right now. I already sent out the link. So it's literally going short right now. So yeah, bro, I really think it's gonna fill this inefficiency. I feel like it's gonna fill this bullish for gap, then it can go down. Like just a little breather. I need some type of retracement. I don't think it's gonna bing to the upside. Let's see gold. Gold have anything for us? Gold is so stupid because like, bro, like it told us 2-3 things. I don't like when it's range bounded because look, swing high got rated, swing low got rated. Fine, market structure shift, fair value gap right here. So if you were to use an SMT, and this is why I avoided the gold setup. Fine, use an SMT, but like you would have been stopped out here. And if you did the same thing for buys, because it was a range bound setup, you go again to the higher time frame. Swing high got rated, swing low got rated. Swing market structure shift. Then we switch over to the 1 minute. But then there was no opposite fair value gap for it to disrespect. There was one right here, but then we had an SMT on a higher time frame, which by the way, if this happened, means like kind of exit. So then you kind of avoid a loss. Can't type the code. The code is Hamuzi30, guys. The futures account 65% off. So even with $80, I think that's you can get an account. And then gold again. Sorry. So what happened was yeah. So if you had to set up here, bear SMT, avoid a loss, kind of exit a bit earlier. And then that was pretty much it. Now on the higher time frame, same thing. If you want to use that as an MSS, it's pretty much just weak in my eyes. It's just been pretty ugly. It's been ugly. So I'm not really looking at gold right now until we can kind of escape this range. In between this range, just escape one of it, then we can start looking for something. As for NASDAQ, what's Ethereum saying? Ethereum. As for NASDAQ, again, like I was expecting before, we want us to kind of refill this 15-minute gap, right? Like I was saying before. I don't see it going up unless we refill this inefficiency and then start going down. Guys, literally limited spots left. I can literally see Waxan, Basi, Jihid. Like these spots are getting taken away right now. There's no activation fee when it comes to AquaFutures. There's no activation fee. What's up, Hadi? So let's delete this. Let's redraw this. I don't like this. I'll tell you why I don't like this. I don't like this because we have this. Actually, no, I like this. Let's swing higher here. Yes, sirski, how do? Sorry, you guys said you're looking for the link to join the Signal group. Is that what you guys said? Guys, let's get this to 100 likes. Come on, get the likes up. Everyone, like up the likes. Come on. I'm looking for another setup for us. So far, we're 1 for 1. I think it was where was our entry? And she was right here. And then we put our stop loss at that low. And we called out this one-to-one trade. Now we're pretty much waiting. It's almost 11 a.m. Yo, guys, AquaFutures has no activation fee account, so 65% off plus no activation fee. So honestly, take advantage of that too, guys. Hamuzi 30 cheat to success. Yo, I want you guys just to use the signal group to show you that, wow, this thing's so cool. Like, he can actually do this. Like, it's so fire. Take advantage of it in that way. So then after you can be like, okay, I really want to join the one-on-one because he's showing me that, look, it's possible. Does that make sense, guys? Use it as that. Don't use the signal group as the thing. Use the signal group as the thing. Okay, wheelsofnames.com for link giveaway. Okay, sounds good. Okay, guys, who's ready? Who's ready for the giveaway? Huh. Yo, guys, I think I see a setup. Make sure you guys all like the stream. Make sure you guys all like up the stream. Like up the stream. Subscribe. Join the Discord. So then when you win the giveaway, at least if you're in the Discord, you know? Yeah. Okay, guys. Eyes on NASDAQ. I'm getting distracted, guys. This is not good. I should not get distracted like this. Okay. We have a nice SMT here, guys. Okay, we have a couple seconds until the thing. We got eyes. I want this to close a little bit higher, at least halfway. Halfway, I'll be content. I'm not gonna be a thing about it, but at least close until this zone right here. Have a body closure here, and then I'll be, you see, it did not close above yet. Not close above yet. Not close above yet. So eyes on NASDAQ, guys. We're currently looking for buys right now. So we can go 3-0 in this live stream, and oh, I guess it closed for Hadi. Yeah, it did not close for me. It didn't close for me. So I just have to wait for closure. Wait for closure above. Once I get that closure above, then that will pretty much give me the confirmation that I need, and then we can go enter for buys. So make sure to join the Discord, guys. It's in the YouTube description. The Discord is in the YouTube description. My dad texted me. Let's see what my dad said. Okay, that's the closure I wanted. That flip closure. Okay, that's a little bit halfway, so we can enter for. We have halfway 3 rows, nice wide SMT. Here to here, medium threshold. I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna put it behind. I'm gonna put the SL behind this low. So give me a nice bullish candle. Give me a little bit close to this high. I'm taking this chance. Get ready to look for buys, guys. Eyes. Get ready. 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 Okay. This is. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. 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 Bye right here. Good. 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 All right. So you should be in some profits. All right. Nice. We're in profits again. Same thing with our 1-to-1 RR. It looks like our 1-to-1's about to get smashed right now. And our 1-to-1 RR got really close. Really close. And if this gets hit, then it's going to make us pretty much 3-0 at 100% win rate ever since starting the live stream for 1-to-1. I want us to inverse this. I don't want this to get respected. I want this to get disrespected. Let's go to the 5, 15 minute. Anything here? 30 minute. I don't want anything that would kind of make this hold, if that makes sense. I don't want to give it no benefit of the doubt. We were about so close, so close, so close. It's not reacting off of any bearish fair value gap. It's not. I'm just going to treat this as a breakaway gap. I'm just going to assume this to be a breakaway gap. Just give me just for a little psyche. I'm just going to say this is a breakaway gap. And then this would be an entry gap. I just don't like how it kind of closed below it. I don't like the fact that it closed below it, but I'm just going to give it the benefit of the doubt based off of this bonus fair value gap that it does want to go up. And also based off of the fact that, price overall, we're near all-time highs, and at least to kind of just touch tabs to it and just kind of give it that movement that it wants to give, right? So currently it's at back to break even level. We'll mark this area as 1-to-1 RR. So you guys at least have an idea that's what it's for. And then a little bit down right there. Boom, right here. That's done for at least 1 to 2 RR. And let me just go to the 515 if we can just get our high real quick. So want us to find us that move that's just gonna that's about 1 to 6.18. All right, so again, if this has everything that I want in my characteristic. We had a bullish SMT. We escaped the higher time frame. We had an inversion. Obviously, our entry was technically supposed to be a bit earlier. I just had to enter us a little bit later based off of the fact that I just wanted a bit more confirmation on that closer above. And I was willing to take that risk. So that's why I was willing to take that risk on that trade. That's why we do have a bit of drawdown, is based off of the fact that our entry was a bit later. So that's where that drawdown came from. Just so you guys have at least of an understanding why. Nice. Everyone in profit right now? Just wait. Are you guys in this trade as well? When the world is like the sun, shining new is yet to come. This I know. This I know. Baby, please don't worry about this. Tell me, don't you worry no more. Baby, don't you worry about this. Baby, don't you worry. Oh, 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 oh. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. Come to this yellow line, buddy. Come on. I know you want to come. Just disrespect this and then attack this high and just lock in. All right, let's just take out this. Come on. Take out this, buddy. I know you want it. Who's ready, guys? Who's ready? We're about to go 3-0 on live stream. 100% win rate on live stream. Are we about to go 100% win rate on live stream, chat? Do we want to go 100% win rate? Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. You want to take it. Watch this. Ready? Hello, Powell. Yeah, can you take out this yellow line real quick? I'm making a phone call right now. I just want you to just take out this yellow line real quick if you don't mind doing that. Just just secure our little, just 120. Yeah, we did the math. We did the calculation now with a 64% win rate, a 1-to-1 R actually can make you super duper profitable. So do you mind just tagging us in right there? I'm not gonna call that a tag. I really want you to kind of just tag it if that makes any sense. So I'd really appreciate that from you. It'd mean a lot. So whenever you get the chance, please just tag it away. I can see that 1 minute candle made no bottom wick, and that's not a good thing because usually when there's no bottom wicks, price likes to take it out. So just that little topic that you made over there, just kind of displace through it and let me know once you get that done. All right, appreciate it. Goodbye, buddy. We're a tick away from 1-to-1. Lord have mercy on my soul. Yeah, hello? Yeah, what's going on? You're like 1 tick away from the take profit. I'm trying to figure out why you're not hitting it right now. Just we're in profits right now. I just want to know like why. I just want you to get it over with. Oh, what? You're just teasing us? Oh, okay. So when do you plan on hitting it? Oh, you plan on hitting it now in the next few candles? All right, I appreciate it. Okay, thank you. All right, goodbye. All right, guys, I just got a phone call with the market makers. And they said in the next few candles, we're pretty much going to take out that yellow line. So let's see if we're correct about it. And he said that our 1-to-1 is going to smash. And he was like, I really appreciate you going for something that's a 64% win rate. And you'll still be profitable. But so far, we're at 100% win rate while doing it. And it's doing pretty good. So I just got off the phone. So he said the next few candles. So let's see. And let's hope the person I called was the actual CEO and not no assistant. So we wait. Oh shit, I got catfish, guys. Should I make a call again? They catfished me? You catfished me? You teasing me? Yes, hello. Yeah, I just got off the phone with you guys. You guys told me that in the next few candles, it's gonna hit the yellow line. It's gonna hit the take profit. What's going on? Oh, you're putting me on hold right now to talk to the real CEO? Oh, oh, really? Whoa! I didn't know that. Really? Okay, sounds good. Okay. Yo, chat. They said put stop loss to break even. So, the market maker said just put your stop loss to break even. Make it a risk-free trade because it's playing around in this area. So move your stop loss right here at this zone. So just move it to this break even level. They're saying because it took out this high that you should move your stop loss to break even because now it could displace and disrespect this and end up going down. So it's saying it just makes sense to kind of just move your stop loss right now to this key level. So we'll see what that says. So it's be a risk-free trade. So which means if it hits break even, we'll still continue our 100% win rate. So yeah. So we just wait. What? Really? You're lying. No way. Actually. Okay, so guys, guess what? It's a risk-free trade, which means there's only two things that can happen on this trade. It's either one, we make money right about now. Boom! I appreciate doing business with you, buddy. Appreciate it. Don't need you. Bye-bye. Enjoy your profits, guys. 1-to-1 smashed. 1-to-1 smashed. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely beautiful. We'll lock that in. So that puts us at 100% win rate. And then past 3 trades at a 1-to-1 R, your stop loss already at break even. All right, Cassie, send me those profits, buddy. We got that phone call. And yeah, guys, this is the power. This is the power of locking in. You know what I'm saying? So we took 2 W's today, 0 losses on stream so far. We pretty much cooked that shit. We called the market makers and we told them, yo, it's we're having a very deep conversation on something that we want to get accomplished, and and we're very serious about what we're trying to do here, and if we're trying to look forward or not. You know what I'm saying? So big W's in the chat, everyone. Let's hear it. Come on, big W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. This is my go-to setup, guys. Every freaking day, man. This is my go-to setup. This is what I love. Okay, this is what I love. I love this setup. This is my go-to setup every day. I'm showing you guys live as the market moves live. Who's doing it live? Who's showing you, yo, bro, this guy's actually doing it live? What the heck? Like, these guys cannot do it live. I'm telling you right now, guys, we're doing it live. I'm showing you guys. The people in the signal group 8, how are you guys? How many of you guys took this trade? You guys locked in? So let me break down the psychology of this trade, why it was taken and everything. It's the same thing over and over. We have a bullish SMT. We have price. It disrespects this opposite fair value gap closure above. Again, my entry obviously was a bit later, but we still were able to secure 1-to-1 even with a late entry. Isn't that crazy, guys? Isn't that crazy? And for anyone that's holding for the full 1-to-6, for the full 1-to-2, you're already at break even. So it's a risk-free trade for you. So isn't that crazy, guys? W's in the chat for the 1-to-1 killers. What did I say, guys? How much of a win rate do you need to be profitable with a 1-to-1? What's the win rate? What's the win rate, guys? The win rate is how much? It is a statistical. Let's move this down. So in case people join the stream, they don't be confused. It is a what? Technically, yeah, above 50%. Yeah. So with the 64%, you'll be nicely profitable. So yeah, it's just a cool thing. It's just cool little math, right? So again, breaking it down to you again, right? You have a 200K account. We Just do the math real quick. Look how profitable you'll be. Look how profitable you'll be. Right? Initial balance 200,000. You're risking 1% per trade. You're taking a volume amount of trade, which makes up for it, and you're looking at, let's say, 64% win rate, 0 break evens, and one over a period of time. Look how profitable. Look how sexy your PNL is. 134% for the year. 164% for the year. 148% for the year. You know what I'm saying? 132% for the year. Look how profitable you are with that. Does that make sense, everyone? But imagine as you do things that will increase your win rate. Imagine having an edge. For example, what's our edge? We have a bullish SMT. We want that inversion. We want everything to kind of play out. So as long as you have an edge and you're above that, you can make a lot, right? So, right? Does that make sense to everyone? Does that make sense, guys? Bro, guys, man, I'm 14 minutes past. Okay, it's fine. Band for band, exactly. You're pretty much going band for band with the market, and you're pretty much gonna win because you have an edge, and you want to stick to that edge on a repeated basis, right? You want to always stick to that edge and not break that edge. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, everyone? Does that make sense? Yes, no, no, yes. Makes sense, makes sense. Right? So my main question for you guys was, how was the teaching today? Was it very good? Were you guys able to lock in, learn, understand, comprehend, thing, you know? Were you guys able to fully lock stuff down and fully understand and get things going? Yeah, guys? Yes, everyone? All right, that's what I want. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Logical sense? It looks like the 1 to 2 is about to get ripped right now. So, looks like the 1 to 2. Bro, imagine a 1 to 2 with a 64% rate. Oh, that one's looking dirty. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. Do a little giveaway at the same time. So let's see, chat. I'm going to start the giveaway. If this hits the yellow line, the second yellow line, at a 1 to 2 arm, if it does hit it, then I'll give away double the amount. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Are you ready for this, chat? Okay. So I'm gonna think of a number between, let's see. I'm gonna think of a number between 1 and 100. And your job is to pick that number. Okay? In the count of 3, everyone choose 1 to 100 and start locking it in. Get ready. Everyone choose a number 1 to 100. Go. Sorry, I zoned out. Shoot. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Oh. That's the number. Where'd it go? The winner is Charles Aku at 71. Charles, okay. Charles, okay. Congratulations. You are the first winner, Mr. Charles, okay. You got yourself a 10K funded account. Now moving over to the 50K futures account. Choose a number between 1 and 100. 1 in 100. Choose, 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 choose. Choose, 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 choose. Guys, you see how fast the numbers is coming on the YouTube chat? And you guys expect me to like, you know? So Charles Oka, make sure you join the thing. Before we continue the thing, everyone make sure to leave a like right now on the stream. Make sure you guys leaving a like. Make sure you guys are leaving a like right now. I'm gonna check right now who's liking the stream. Make sure you guys leave a like because we did catch a W live on stream. Multiple W's. Everyone liked the stream. I need everybody to click the like button that is watching the stream right this second. Right this second. Everyone click the like button. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, my thing's glitching, bro. How did no one get it yet? It's like teleporting. It's like teleporting. Okay. I got it. I got it. Where was it? I think it was Mustafa Shayab. Where'd it go? You got the correct number. Let me find. Yeah, there it is. Right there. So that's the next winner. Okay. We'll do another one. Guys, by the way, if you do not win, it is fine. Do you understand me, guys? If I'm still doing the giveaway. If you guys don't win, it's fine. Does that make sense, everyone? It's fine if you guys don't win. It's not the end of the world. Okay, everyone? Does that make sense, everyone? Guys, I see another entry setup. Hold up. I see a setup inside of a setup. 5-minute bullish fair value. I tapped into it. Went into it. Closure above here. We escaped the 5-minute. This is the closure. Technically, there's an entry there, but I'm a bit late because we're doing this. So I'm not going to enter this. But this looks like a continuation setup. We can target this high. But I'm not entering this. Whatever. The original trade is still at break even. So this should just give you confirmation for anyone that's holding it. This should just give you confirmation to just keep holding it until we get to that 1 to 2 level, because break even did not get hit. Okay, guys, the break even did not get hit. You see it? Price went down. It went down here. All right, and this went here before we said break even, so it's fine. Before we actually moved it to break even. I mean. So right here we're good. So it's an entry inside of an entry. So right now this is its own setup, its own bullish setup. I'm not sure there's an SMT. I can check right now actually. Yes, there is actually an SMT right here. So there is an SMT. The only reason why I wouldn't enter this separately is based off of the fact that there isn't, what do you call it? There isn't a super close range liquidity point compared to where the closure happened. That's it. But it's a continuation. So this is pretty cool. Just to keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. I'm not telling you, just keep that in mind for anyone holding it. Like, you should have more conviction. Conviction should be on your side for the holders. Okay. So that's the winner. So now, guys, like I'm saying, guys, if you don't win, it's fine. Everyone stop commenting for a second. Stop spamming the numbers for 1 second, guys. I want you guys to understand real quick. If you don't win, is it the end of the world? Yes or no, guys? Or am I always doing giveaways every time we're on live? Is it the end of the world if you don't win? Yes or no? Guys, you got to answer the question. You're not working with me right now. Is it the end of the world if you don't win? Yes or no? I got to know. It's not the end of the world. Why? Was this not a W stream? Did we not catch a W together, guys, live? Did we not catch multiple W's live together? Are we not still on a 100% win rate right now, live on stream? Right? Is that not crazy? So it's not the end of the world, guys. It's completely fine. Okay? So It's fine. There will always be more chances. Do not get mad. There will always be more chances. Just the longer you stay, the bigger your chances of winning. Does that make sense, everyone? So now, what's that app someone was telling me? There's like, it's an app. You put their names in a generator. You know what I'm talking about? It's like, you put their name in a generator. You guys know what I'm talking about? Also, this is what I'm talking about, by the way. Do you guys get me? This is, you see what I'm saying, guys? Bullish SMT. There's his own entry right here. You see that? Now you should have confluence for the little runners. I just want to explain this minute. Boom! 1 to 2 smash, guys. W's in the chat, guys. I literally called that this would happen based off of the fact that, like, you should have more conviction now on this setup. Does that make sense, chat? Does that make sense? 1 to 2 fully smashed. Did I not tell you guys, have more conviction? A setup came and there was also an SMT. Did I not say that, chat? Let me send this out in the signal group again now. Full, I'm be like 1 to 2 RR smashed. Enjoy. Eat those. Okay. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Is that not beautiful? Is that not beautiful? I don't know where the rest. Big W's in the chat, guys. Absolutely big W's in the chat, guys. No! Oh, shit. Shit, it closed me out fully. My T, I was trying to hold it until this high. Fudge. Shit, man. Oh. Oh, I only made 6,000. I only made 6,000. I could have made more. I only made 6,000 USD. It closed me out at the thing. I literally went to just okay, that's the case. I'm just gonna save global. It's fine. Let me put this. I know the Telegram group is eating right now. I know the Telegram signal group is eating. Bro, 6K is. I close about like near 1 to 2. But lovely. Anyways, guys, this is what happens when there's a setup inside of a setup. Is that not freaking amazing? Am I not telling you this shit live, guys? Is your boy Hamuzi not telling you this live? Is that not crazy or what? Live, guys. This is freaking live, bro. This is freaking live. Live. This is freaking live. Hey. Hey, live. Hey. This is this. It's your boy Hamuzi. He gets the W's, don't you see? It's your boy Hamuzi. He gets W's, don't you see? It's Hamuzi, Hamuzi. How do I make the screen small again? Hamuzi, Hamuzi, Hamuzi. Boom, 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 boom. Hamuzi does it live. Hamuzi does it live. Hamuzi does it live, 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 live. Hamuzi does it live. Hey, Hamuzi is the GOAT. Hey, Hamuzi is the GOAT. Hey, Hamuzi is the GOAT. Hey, the GOAT, the GOAT. Hamuzi is the GOAT, the GOAT, the GOAT. Hamuzi is the GOAT, the GOAT, the GOAT. Hamuzi is the GOAT. I can act like this, it's not acting emotional. And let me explain why. Because I follow my trade management plan, so I can act however I want. This is not emotional. I can act how I want because I follow my trading plan. I did not gamble. I did not over risk. I did not do anything that broke my plan. I just stick to everything. Did we overtrade? No, we didn't. We did everything, so I can react like this because I follow my trading plan. Don't you see this? While some other fools, they get really emotional. They don't follow their trading plans, so they don't have the right to act like this. I can act like this because I follow my trading plan. Something that's so simple and I teach it to the fans. Something that's so easy and I know you understand. Hamuzi's the GOAT and he is the man. You guys want to understand. You guys want to understand. I'm going to teach you everything. Yes, I know I am the man. I will take a trip to Japan and I will take some profits and I am with the fam. Look at that profit. We hit full DP. Like to close it out in the days. Don't you see? We gonna take profit. We hit full DP. I want you to see. Don't you see? Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it. Full TP. Oh, yes, we did it. We're the great and no one is better. The greatest strategy in the world. Okay. I'm done now, guys. Hopefully today was a good trading day. Hopefully you guys learned a lot. You know, we can come back to our serious self. Hopefully you guys locked in. Hopefully you guys learned fully. Hey, my student! My student! Hadi took this trade. Hadi took this trade. Full TP, bro. Full TP hit. Bro, I love my freaking students, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I love my students, bro. Yo, everyone, spam W's in the chat. We're going to overtime right now. I don't care. I'm making the stream longer. I'm giving you guys a longer stream. Okay, everyone, spam W's in the chat. Be like Hamuzi the GOAT. I'm about to post this real quick on my story. Spam it up in the chat real quick. Spam it up. Spam it up. Okay. Yo, we just took a fat W, bro. Shout out to everyone that took this trade live in front of so many people, man. I'm telling you guys, look, bro, if I can do this, so can you, bro. Just did this live, bro. I'm live streaming for free on YouTube to show you my strategy and how efficient it is, bro. Everyone caught this W. We got a lot of people making money, bro. And like I told you guys, we're gonna keep killing it, bro. Yes, sir, man. You know what time it is. It's fire. Yo, why is my Instagram audio not working? Shit, guys, we gotta do another take. One more take, guys. My bad, I messed it up. Everyone spam the W's in the chat. Everyone type down how much money you made. Be like, I made this amount, whatever it is. Spam W's in the chat. And I'm gonna do a proper video real quick with all you guys. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Hamuzi's the goal, all that stuff. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna do a proper video now. All right, guys, we just smashed the W. We have people made $12K, $300, $215. W's in the chat. You already know what time it is. Hamuzi the GOAT. Someone took it on their demo. Okay, fire. Yes, sir, guys. We took a Fire trade, fire setup, all live. Like I'm telling you, all live. Look, if I can do this, bro. I'm telling you right now, you can do this too, bro. I'm showing you guys everything for free, teaching you guys free. Take advantage of it, bro. I'm putting my reputation on the line, teaching you guys for free, going live during the market moves. And so far during our live streams, we are 100% winning. I'm not saying it's going to continue like that. I'm saying we are, just to show you guys how efficient things can be. All right, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Peace out. People make some make $12K, $300, $215. Keep spamming, guys. Keep spamming. Everyone type down how much money you made too. We keep doing this. We're doing this till the proper video. Let's run it back. Keep going. W spam, Hamuzi go, all that stuff. Spam it. That's not enough spam. I don't see you guys spamming. Let's keep spamming. All right, guys. Big W's in the chat. You know what time it is. We got someone that made $3,400 in 45 minutes on a live stream, which is going crazy. Everyone's going crazy, bro. Like we just took a disgusting trade, excellent trade, lovely trade, and it's all live. Like I'm doing this all live, so I'm live streaming, teaching you guys everything, all of this stuff, and I'm putting my reputation on the line, showing you guys how I'm trading live for free. Take advantage of it, guys. Really learn. And if you guys are interested in the one-on-one private mentorship, then comment the word info. Right, reply to the story saying info, and we'll have a talk, a conversation. If you're a right fit, then I'm going to teach you guys the one-on-one. It is paid, letting you know, guys. But regardless, pull up to the live stream. In the chat, you know what time it is. We got someone that made $3,400 in 45 minutes on the live stream, which is going crazy. Everyone's going crazy. Get some money. Disgusting trade, excellent trade, lovely trade. It's all live. Like I'm doing this all live, so I'm live streaming, teaching you guys everything, all of this stuff, and I'm putting my reputation on the line, showing you guys how I'm trading live for free. Take advantage of it, guys. Really learn. Fire, guys. Fire, fire, fire. Fire. Okay, guys. Someone give me the little generator where I can do the little giveaway right now. And get the likes up, guys. Come on. Let's get the likes up. Let's get way more likes than this. Come on. Let's get more likes than this, guys. We can definitely get more likes. Okay. I'm gonna do. Someone send me that link again where I can put all you guys in a generator. Okay, guys. The winner is. I'm thinking about a food right now. Whoever can think about that food first will win. I'm literally craving it right now. If you know me, it's my favorite food. I have a YouTube video about it. You're a real OG fan. Oh, someone said it. Someone said it. Someone said it. Someone already said it. The Life of Bilal. Congratulations, you won. The answer is pizza. Hamuzi loves pizza. Hamuzi loves pizza. All right, guys, make sure you guys join the Discord so that anytime there's any type of giveaway or anything, I'm gonna mention you guys. If you guys don't win, it's completely fine. Please don't worry. Please don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Not everyone is gonna win, so please do not worry. All right. So good job. So good job, guys. It's completely fine. Don't worry. We're gonna keep killing it. Wheel of names, calm. Wheel of names. Okay, let's see. Wheel of names. Random. Okay. Bro, there's no way I'm typing all of your name. There has to be some type of thing where, you know, you guys can input it. I'm not gonna type everyone's name individually and then put it in a thing. There has to be something where you can, you know, put in your own information. It's not gonna work. I'm seeing it right now. I don't want to manually add everyone's name. That's crazy. That's way too much work for me. Way too much work. Okay, guys. Yeah, life of below. You want a 10K account, a 50K account. You want a 50K account. Comment picker. What's that? Comment picker. That's for Instagram. And you want for YouTube. YouTube comment picker. Okay, cool. Okay. Use Google Docs for our names, bro. That's bear work, guys. Give me something that's AI or something. Come on, guys, work with me here. Give me something like straight to the point. I don't want to put nothing. I don't want to manually even put anything. I searched up comment picker and it's like, okay, let's try this. Let's put the YouTube link. You guys see my screen? Okay, comment picker. Okay, Control V. Get YouTube comments. Oh, 4+2 is 6. Sorry, this video has comments disabled, which means we cannot get any comments in this video. Please enable comments. Oh, because we're on a live stream, so it's not gonna work. ChatGPT. How's ChatGPT gonna know? Just call number who write the first. Okay, we'll figure this out in the future, guys. Don't worry, we'll figure something out in the future. Again, make sure you guys join the AquaFunded Discord. So if you are a winner today, join the Discord. So that's how you're gonna claim your prize, right? Message me that you won. Join the Discord. How many of you guys seen today's trades live? How is it? Okay, I'm gonna give one 10K account to. I'm gonna choose a random name. Wallah, I'm gonna choose a random name. Completely random. I'm gonna close my eyes. The most recent one I see is the one I'm gonna pick. Okay. If you do not win, please do not worry, bro. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1, open. Okay, I swear to God, it was Big Me Raider, some shit like that. Where'd it go? That was the first thing I seen. I don't know what name. Big Maki Raider. Okay, congratulations, bro. You want a 10K account? Again, guys, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. Bro. I'm gonna be throwing away accounts like this. I'm gonna be doing bear giveaways. Just make sure you guys stay tuned. Guys, how was the trading today? Was it good? Don't worry, guys. Don't be sad. You'll have more. How was the trading, guys? Was it good? Did you guys lock in? Did you guys learn? Did you guys learn the power of 1-to-1 as well? How much damage you can do as well? How was it, guys? Good? Good day? You guys was it good? Remember, guys, I'm gonna be doing way more giveaways. So this is not the beginning. How was the learning, guys? Was the learning amazing? Was learning good? Were you able to see live trades, live execution trades? Right? Super live execution, beautiful trades. Like, yo, Hamuzi can do it live, you know? How to claim? Join the Discord. Does that make sense, chat? So, yeah, guys, bro. I'm gonna keep giving you guys amazing trades. I'm gonna keep giving you guys wonderful trades. This is the year, guys. Just lock in, all right, guys. I'm gonna try my best to help you. I'm gonna try my best to help you guys as much. So, did you guys? Someone said I learned how precise you are. Did you guys learn how precise I was when it comes to my trades live? Because, bro, like to be able to do it live, I don't think you guys understand how significant that is. Does that make sense? Like, I really hope one day you guys sit down and like, wow, Hamuzi actually really did it live. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow, Hamuzi, like, this guy really did it live. You know what I'm saying? Um, Does that make sense, chat? I already feel like. Oh no, Jason. Okay. So guys, is it pretty cool, guys, that like are you guys learning? I want to know if you guys are learning or not. That's the most important thing. Are you guys learning? Yes or no? Are you guys learning amazing? Yes or no? Where's the link for the Discord? The link is in the description of this YouTube video. It's in the description. Okay. I hope you guys are learning amazing. I hope you guys are understanding. I recommend you guys. There's still like a small spots left right now. If you want to join the Signal group, join the Signal group. I'll be sending trades like this every day, so you guys seen it live. So join the Signal group before I'll be sending trades like that every day. I'm gonna be sending out trades. So I'm gonna give you guys, like I said, the biggest discount in the world. Okay, guys, use code Hamuzi30. Okay, use code Hamuzi30, and you guys are gonna get the biggest discount ever. Okay, guys, this is just for you guys. This discount is just for you guys. So use code Hamuzi30, and you guys are gonna get probably like one of the biggest discounts ever. So take advantage of that. Okay, guys, remember code Hamuzi30. This is the link. You lock it in. Right there. So let's see. One more account giveaway. I'm going to choose a winner. And the winner is... You know what? Layu. I seen Layu's name. It popped up my face because I seen Layu join the Signal group. Layu, did you join the Signal group? Yes or no? So I seen... So Layu is the first name I seen. So where's Layu? Come back to the chat, Layu. Where'd it go? You guys are asking for the Signal group link. I'm sending it here, but because people are spamming in the chat, they can't. Like it's getting disappeared. Bro, where's Layu, bro? Layu, why don't you wanna... Oh, there he is. Layu Yang. Okay, congratulations. Oh, nope, wrong pin. Layu, where are you? You're hiding from me. Okay, there you are. Boom. Okay. Lovely. Lovely. So you won. Make sure you guys are in the Discord to claim. And I'm giving you guys a link as well. And in this link, you guys are able to join the Signal group. Remember, guys, there's no activation when it comes to there's no activation fees when it comes to the futures account with AquaTV. Zero activation fee. So 65% off with no activation fee. So do take advantage of that as well. Again, the link of the Discord is in the description of the YouTube video. Go to the description of the YouTube video. You're gonna find it, guys. You're gonna find it. Lovely, lovely, excellent, excellent. Okay, guys. All right, love you guys. If you did not win, it's completely fine. Hopefully, you guys learned. And like I said, I'm looking forward to you guys joining the Signal group, taking advantage of the knowledge. And really lock in with that. Okay, guys? I love you guys. Have a beautiful day. Feel free to message me if you guys are really interested on the one-on-one and you're like, bro, I've seen Hamuzi do it live multiple times now. You took 3 W's in a row with us, 3-0, and I seen it all live on the YouTube streams. And you guys really want to learn this stuff. Shoot me a message and Just say one-on-one. Message me info, or message me that you're really, or just email me that you're really interested in the one-on-one. The email is hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com, and then shoot me a message and I got you. Okay. There should be a link to the Discord, the AquaTV Discord. There should be a link, or just go to their website and find the link there. If you don't have the link, there's always ways. You guys have to learn how to use critical thinking as well, guys. You know, if you don't find it, think about it. AquaTV, go to their website. The Discord is probably going to be there. Critical. I love critical thinkers. You guys will always be the winner at the end of the day, right? To always overthink, right? And then shoot me a message that you guys want. Anyways, at hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com. And then email me if you guys are interested for the one-on-one mentorship. And that's it. All right. Love you guys. Have a beautiful day. Take care. How to claim? Join the Discord, guys. If you want to claim, join the Discord and message me that you want. At me in the Discord. At Hamuzi_ in the Discord that you want. Okay. And then we do that. All right, guys. Very simple instructions. So if anyone asks how to claim, I just taught it right now. That's how you claim it. Just show me proof that you want of a screenshot that I pinned your name here. And that's it. You win. Very simple instruction, guys. There's no way you guys can mess this up now. Okay? Okay. Take care, guys. I love you guys. And peace out.